is another fan-made game inspired, obviously, by Five Nights at Freddy's. Now, I don't know anything about this game at all. I'm just going to select new game, jump right in, and see how far we can go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Here we go! I love new games. Ooh, what to expect. Okay, here we go. There once was a man named Wario who worked along with a friend of his on Wario's own fast food factory. Fast food factory. One day, however, the two men went missing and they were never found. Since that day, the factory has been closed due to people thinking the factory was cursed. 7 years later, the government decided to reopen the factory and start the production again. One man has gotten the job as a guard during the night. Lucky me. Looks like I'm the security guard. All right. Whew. Oh, I'm in my little office. Oh, this looks vaguely familiar. Lights? Door? Ah, okay. Light?
Hello? Hello,
Hey.
hello?
Hi.
Are you there?
I'm here.
Oh, great. Well, welcome to Wario's.
Thank
Your
you.
new summer job. So this place recently got reopened, and you are in fact the first person to work on this location after its reopening.
Gee, lucky me.
So that's quite an honor, don't you think?
Yeah, alright,
Before
sure.
we begin, you might have heard some rumors or something about something going on here about 7 years ago. Just don't worry about that and don't think about it
Nothing
at all.
to worry about.
Yeah, I'm sure it's just silly rumors of some kind.
Of course, it's rumors.
So you have nothing to worry about. Anyways, your job here is pretty simple. Watch the security cameras around the building to make sure that everything works correctly.
Okay.
This place is pretty old now, and we haven't really got much time yet to fix everything around the building. So the rooms are pretty old and dusty and maybe rotten, and the machines might not work correctly. So that's why we need you to keep an eye on things to make sure that everything looks alright.
Alright.
Also, if it should be necessary, you can also put on the lights in the door to your left and also in the window to your right. You can also close off this door and this window. But please only shut those doors and turn off those lights if absolutely necessary. You only have a limited supply of power for now, so we don't really want to waste much money.
No.
So, yeah, good luck. Just keep an eye on things. Check your cameras pretty fast, I guess, to make sure that you don't use too much power. And you shouldn't really have anything more to worry about. You're sitting here until 6 a.m. and someone will come and take your spot. So, again, good luck, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Good night. I'm sure nothing's gonna happen. What could happen? I'm by myself in this abandoned factory. What could possibly go wrong? Alright, let's check these cameras. Now, ooh! Hey, there's two of them coming at me. It's Wario and looks like Luigi with awfully long arms. They don't look awful friendly. Why so glum, guys? Cheer up. We got the whole factory to ourselves. What's that noise? They better not be coming in already. Controls moving are kind of nice, but a little slow for my liking, but I'll deal with it. This demo looks actually well done. I'm impressed. Alright, where are these freaks? Where'd they go? They were there. Oh, they better not be here already. This is only night 1. I expect them just to walk around and be kind of dumb. But I could be wrong. That would be a switch. Oh, there's Wario. Where's this other freak at? Where's Luigi? Man, I hate putting the camera up for that long. But I gotta get used to the... Oh, he's right in the room with me almost. Well, hello there. Are you coming in? There's Wario. I'm coming to get you, Test. Okay, let's switch this door. Woo! not. Wow. They're attacking me already. It's only night 1. It's not very nice. Man. I thought I'd have a little bit of a break. Ooh! Hey! Oh, jeez, Wario! I never expected to see your ugly face that close. Damn! Luigi's still there. Can I have this? Well, I'm gonna keep the door closed. I don't think he can get in. I'm gonna waste some power, but... Is Wario still there? Oh, he's gone. Where's he at now? Ooh! Oh, now Wario's there! Crap! Luigi was there. Hey, guys. Luigi's like, yo, check out the dude. Hey, he's gone. Check out the dude in the guard room. Wow. Okay, I can see that. Oh, he's back. Holy crap. They're attacking already. Alright. Oh, I can see this getting nuts later on. Okay, where's Wario? Where's Luigi? There has to be more than these two characters. As the nights progress, do more characters come out? Is he gonna be there? Yes! Ooh! Holy jeez! He's still there! Holy crap, these guys aren't fooling around! Okay, there's Wario. Okay, he's gone. Where is he? Maybe he's in the room with me. I don't want to put the camera down now. Find Luigi! Oh, okay, he's not in here. He's right there outside my door! Holy crap! No wonder I couldn't find him. He's right outside my door. Okay, where's Wario? Oh, there he is. Oh, okay, Luigi's still there. Holy jeez, they don't like me being here. Oh, this is gonna get nuts. Oh. Is he gone? Okay, he's gone. Oh, he's right there at the door again. This guy is non-stop. He must hear me open the door or something. Oh, no you don't. Oh, turn off the light. Don't waste any power. I gotta get used to this. Wow. Alright. He's right outside my door. Luigi's been outside my door half the night. Holy jeez, these guys are aggressive on night number 1. I like it, actually. That's good. Usually night number 1, I could go get a slice of pizza, come back, and I'm still alive. Yes! Okay, there we go. Night number 1. Hey, alright. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright, guys. Should we go for night number 2? Alright, let's go for night number 2. Let's do it. Whew. Night number 2. Here we go. Ooh, telephone call. I'm here. Hello.
Hello?
Hey.
There, I told you it wouldn't be a problem. You didn't happen to see anything unusual during the night, did you?
Nothing at all.
Like, a machine not working or something?
Nope.
Probably not.
Everything was working great.
Anyways, you did a good job. All machines were working during the day.
Thank you.
So just keep it up. About that rumor I mentioned yesterday.
Oh no.
The thing is, Or you know what? Just never mind. Forget about that.
Yeah, don't tell me.
Just keep doing what you're doing.
Alright.
I should probably mention though, not to scare you or anything, but it is a little fact that maybe you should know about. As you might know, the factory closed down 7 years ago.
Yes?
And you probably know that Wario and the rest of the gang who was here, well, they were never found. So we don't really know what happened to them.
Well, I think I have a pretty good idea.
But anyways, that's not the point. So 6 years ago, 1 year after the factory got closed down, a woman passing by the abandoned factory, she claimed to see Wario in the window.
Really?
Only different. And the same thing happened to a man last year. So we don't really know what they meant by that. Do you know anything about this?
I can...
Well, during these 7 years, it has only happened twice. So they were probably just something they imagined. So yeah, check those cameras. See if everything is working correctly. And only use the doors and lights in case you feel like.
Okay, dude.
So keep up the good work, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alright. Get out of here. Okay. Let's find these suckers and Oh, man, they're both there. Is there anything else coming on me? Okay. Now, is it just those two again for this night, or do we have some more characters from the Mario world joining us? Where are they? Oh, those sounds are creepy. They're moving around. I don't like it. Well, we got Luigi and Wario. Mario has to be in this game. Oh, there he is. There's... Oh, put that camera down. This... Just like everything else, I think they're gonna jump at me. Okay, let's find these suckers. Oh, there they are, together! Alright, camp 4. Is there anything else coming? Whew. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Whoa. Let someone open the door! Check the door, check the door, check the door. Nothing there. Check the window. Okay, nothing there. Oh man, this is getting tenseful. What is that sound? Is that a door opening? That creaking or something? Almost sounds like a power saw or something. Oh. Without, all you hear is... It's like quiet. It's so... I don't know when they're gonna jump at me. It's so deathly quiet. There's no music in the background. It's just me and these freaks trying to get me. Oh. Not there. Okay, there's Mario. Oh, hey! Oh, that's sweet. Oh, wow. What's wrong with his nose? His nose is huge. Okay, there's nobody in here yet. Wow, night 1 seems to... They seem to attack more on night 1. I shouldn't have said that. Now they're gonna come at me. Oh, he's in the window. He's gonna be in the window soon. I think he's in the control room. He's right there. Okay, where's the other sucker? Okay, there he is. Is that the only two? Okay, he's not there yet. I don't want him to ever be there. Hey! 3 o'clock, we're doing good. Yeah, there he is. Oh, he left. Oh, hey, okay, there are 3. Those 2. And that's Mario. Mario, Luigi. Who's that? Who's that? Is that? Oh no, he's gone. Oh no. Okay. Oh, crap. Is that a door? It's Wario. No. Nobody at the door. Oh, okay. 4 o'clock. I don't know if they can come in without the door being opened or whatever. It's creeping me out, trying to find them. There's Wario. Where's the other two? Oh! Oh, that's Wario. Close that door. Look at him with those teeth. He's not too happy. Where? Oh. The creaking of these doors. He's still there. Where's the other ones? Oh. Whew. I don't like that music. That doesn't sound good. That foreboding music just starting to play. What does that mean? Okay, there's Wario. That means he's gone? Is he gone from here? Okay, gone. Whew. Okay, he's gone. Oh! Darn it, he's back! Oh, close the door. Close the door. Okay, it's 5 a.m. I think we're gonna do it. I think we're going to do it. Those other two. What are they? Oh, there's one. Oh. I'm not opening that door. Forget it. I'm not opening it till I see Wario somewheres. Oh, all right. Woohoo! Wow, all right. Wow, awesome. Well, there you go, guys. There's the first 2 nights. Come on back next time. We'll continue with night number 3. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, remember, share it around. Help the channel grow. Thanks, guys. Until next time, as always, I'm your Canadian Ginger Taste. Bye-bye.